Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. How you can share your MTN data with your loved one. There are so many people that want to share their data balance with some of their loved one and relative, but you've been finding it difficult. After today's video, you will be able to know how to share your MTN data with the new code that they just released right now. So without wasting much time, let's go into how you can start sharing your MTN data with your friends and family. And before that, if you are new on this channel, I would like you to hit the like button, like this video, and do it to subscribe to the channel so that you can see more video which will be posting very soon. So the first step you need to follow if you want to start sharing your data is that you know there is a general saying that you cannot give what you don't have. The first thing you need to be aware here is that first thing that you have to have an active data bundle right on your MTN line. You cannot, if you doesn't have data on your line, you won't be able to share anything with your loved one. So the first thing is that you have to have an active data bundle, and immediately after that we move to the next step. So right now that you have confirmed that you have an active data bundle on your line, on your MTN sim, and also right on your mobile phone, so you have to pick it up and dial the new code. So the new code is a that's star 312 hash. Star 312 hash. This is the new code for sharing MTN data with your loved one. So right now, dial it on your phone, and after you've dialed it, this step one. Then let's move to step two. Step two. Step two. Right now, the step two will, if you have successfully dialed the code star 312 hash, you will begin to see this screen. You will see this screen on your phone, and it will bring the number one will be data plan, number two, number three will be social bundle. But the next thing that we need to pick is that you just select next. You select next. Next will be zero. Just type zero. And by the way, you can, the link to this full article is in the video description. You can just check the link in the video description so you can be able to have access to this full article, and there is much more educational content you will find on the website, so it will be more helpful for you. So let's move to the next step, which is step 3. Now go ahead and select data gifting, which now you will now pick, just type 7 data gift. You see now data gift here, the data gift. Just pick the data gift and send it up. You will be prompt to the next phase. The next phase will just be where you will choose to share the data. Now I mentioned earlier that you can transfer from your balance, and you can also buy a new bundle for your friend or anyone that you are trying to send it to. So here now you have to, if you want to send from your balance, you will pick one. If you want to buy it straight, you will pick two. So having settled that, we move to step 5. The step 5, please pay attention here. This step 5, this is where you will input the number of the person you are trying to send the data to. Right now, all you just need to is to input the recipient number, the MTN number you are trying to share the data with, and make sure that you don't make mistake. And the step 6, and this one is also very important. This is where you will pick the amount of data you are trying to send. And they have already listed it there that the maximum data you can share right now with your friends and family is 5 gig. It cannot exist 5 gig. at once. But you can, if you want to share more than that, you can if you are done with sharing one, then if the person have seen it, you can still resend another one as many times, but you cannot send more than 5 gig at once, but you can send as many as you like on it. Just pick anyone that you want to send, and having done that, you will see the next screen on your phone, which will be where you will be able to confirm all your transaction. And that's step 7. Step 7, all you just need is to confirm the phone number, if the phone number is right, so that you don't send the data to the wrong person. And that's done. The next step is where you need just to confirm you are almost there, and just confirm the transaction and send. Within few minutes, the person will receive the data, and that's up. You have been able to share your data balance with your friends and with your family. Don't forget, the link to this full article is in the video description, the first link in the video description. You can read the full article and you'll be able to get more tips on the website. All right, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more educational video like this. See you on the next video.